Hello everyone, and yes, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wapa's birthday, our eldest daughter. So I'm gonna make balloon decoration and a birthday frame decoration. So stay tuned until the end. Thank you. First, I'm gonna make a stand balloons that I am going to place on the tables or cabinets. I have here 5 colors of balloons: the blue, red, yellow, green, and pink. First, we're gonna need a small balloon with water in it, and then tie the balloons by twos according to their color. Need also whatever kind of tie that you have available at home or you can buy in the market. Let us make a hanging balloons. I'm gonna hang it on the window. Make the colors alternately. Whatever color do you want, so that those colors will be in one line, all in the same color. You can make as high as you can, it's up to you. Now our hanging balloons are ready. Let us hang it. I'm gonna put or make a big one at the end, just like this one. Charan! Our hanging balloon is done. Next, I have here this shiny like Japanese paper. It has double-sided tape ready. So all we need to do is just to paste it on the big balloons. Then place it on our night lamps. Husband bought this, we called it actually Japanese paper. In general, we just called it simply as birthday decor. Decorations. And I love this one because it looks like a curtain. All you need to do is just to paste it on whatever surface that you have available at home. Love the color as well because it's golden yellow. It's very shiny and lively. Here, I'm almost done. It's very easy to paste on the wall. It's done, and look, it's beautiful, right? Next, I'm sweating, but still I need to do something. Let's make another design for balloon decoration. Balloons are now ready, and they are so beautiful colors as well. And let's do the last part. Let's hang some balloons there as well. It's all done, and let us start making the birthday frame for Wafa. We're gonna use here the crepe paper. We cover this frame with a yellow crepe paper, and then we're gonna make a border design which is heart shape and leaves. Here we used colored paper. It's all done, and here is the birthday frame for Wafa. a very simple birthday celebration with the family. And here I made salad and karhay goat. This is all for today, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please give me your subscribe, like, and give me a comments down below.